Have you ever dreamed of running your own online store, but felt lost with all the tech, design, and products? What if I told you there's a way to launch a complete dropshipping store in minutes, without touching a single line of code or editing a single image? Yes, I can now do almost everything for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Genstore to create, design, and launch a fully functional store step by step, and I'll give you the best AI prompts to make it faster and smarter. Let's dive in. Step 1. Create your store. First, click Create New Store. Here's where you tell the AI the type of store you want. Some prompts that work really well. Type your prompt and wait a few seconds. The AI will instantly start building a product list and suggest the best items for your store. Step 2. Watch the AI build your store. Now comes the exciting part. The AI takes over. Genstore assigns AI agents for different tasks. One sets up your product pages, another organizes your homepage layout, another polishes the design and style. You'll see each agent pop up and show what it's doing. Sit back and watch your store come to life. Once you're happy, move to the next step, design your store. The Design AI helps refine your homepage. Upload image ideas or give a detailed prompt. Make my store look premium and professional with minimal text. The AI generates your homepage design. Preview it, make edits if needed, and then publish. Your store is starting to look amazing. Store name and domain. Store name Ask AI. Suggest catchy and unique brand names for my dropshipping store. Or just type your own name. Use an AI suggested domain or connect a domain you already own. Payment setup. Drop Pay is automatically activated. Just review the settings and adjust if needed. Shipping setup default rules are already created. Edit them to match your business strategy. And that's it. Your store is now fully ready. Products added, homepage designed, payment set up, and shipping ready to go. From start to finish, AI has done most of the heavy lifting for you. You just reviewed, clicked, and published. Now you're ready to start selling and growing your online business without headaches or long setup times. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an AI tool that makes your life easier. Comment below which AI tool you want me to test next. I'll bring you more tips to save time and make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.